class, good morning. Mr. Vince, can you please lead the prayer? In Jesus' mighty we pray, amen. Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Hey class, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, good morning. Have a seat. Who among you here have an idea on our topic for this day? Anyone in the group? Yes, Mr. Elsadora. Oh, okay. Thank you. Sit down. So, for today's topic, we will going have the definition of algebraic expression and the polynomials. But first, we will have a short activity. Yes, short activity. You heard it right. Short activity. The whole class will be divided into 4 groups. Yes. So each group had to select their leader to be a representative to handle the words that follows. And the first group that will finish the task will be having a 20 points after the class discussion. Okay? So, alright, let's start. So, how was our activity for this day? Where do you find it difficult and where do you find it easy? Is it easy or not? Okay, thank you. So, without further ado, let's start our discussion for this day. So, yeah, we have the winner now. The group 1 got the 20 points, and the group 2 got 10 points, and the group 3 have 5 points, and the group 4 have 15 points. So, the points will be recorded. Please write the numbers of your members. Leaders, please put your member's name on the 1/4 sheet of paper and pass it in the front later. Okay? So, when you say algebraic expression, what comes into your mind? Anyone in the class? Yes, Mr. Tan. Okay, very good. Algebraic expression. Yeah. Okay, thank you. First, let me present to you our objective. Number 1 is to describe algebraic expression. 2 is to identify the different terms of algebraic expressions. And 3, internalizing algebraic expressions into the real world. So, when you say algebraic expression, it is a branch of mathematics wherein it deals with letters or symbols that represents numbers. So, in fact, algebra came from the Arabic word algebra al-muqabala. And for instance, it is the most important subject of mathematics. Yeah, algebra al-muqabala. The letters or symbols in algebra are called variables or unknowns. Unknowns. Through these variables, mathematicians will able to generalize a certain concept or development of a theorem or end formula. They were able to know the unknown in a certain mathematical problems. So, it can also solve mathematical problem using the variables, which is the from algebra expression. So, we shall study first some important concepts in algebraic expression. Okay? So now, what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a constant or a variable or a combination of constants. Who can add up? Anyone in the class? Yes, Miss. What is your last name? Okay. Mercado. Miss Mercado. Yes. Thank you. Sit down. So, algebraic expression is somehow a radical expression which has a term. Anyone in the class who among you here are familiar with the term? Okay, Miss Espino? Okay, Miss Espino. Yes, it is right. Thank you. Sit down. A term is a number or a letter or a combination of a number and letters. So, therefore, the definition of a term, we can easily understand the algebraic expression. So, let us consider this example. Let's consider this example. This one. 3x2 plus 2x plus 5. So, we have the first term, second term, and the third term. So, we have 3 terms and all. 3 terms. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Okay, thank you. How did you find it, our topic for today? Is it easy? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Example that I give before is what we call polynomial. So in polynomial, there are 4, and it considered as monomial, binomial, trinomial, and multinomial. So I give you an example of a monomial. Monomial means it is only one term. Example, 3x squared. It is just a one term. This is a monomial. Example of monomial. The binomial is simply a 2 term. 3x squared plus 2x. It is an example of binomial because we have 2 terms. Did you get it? Okay, let's proceed. Another example, another kind of polynomial is the trinomial, which is we already have 3 terms. 3x squared plus 2x plus 5. It is a trinomial because we have 3 terms, 1, 2, and 3. Yes, and the last one is multinomial. We have here 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus 5. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. 4 terms. So, this is an example of multinomial. Did you get it? Is it clear? Okay. Who can give an example of a binomial? Yes. Miss Iana. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Who can give an example of multinomial? Yes. Mr. Kutara. Okay, thank you. Who can give an example of monomial? Yes, Mr. Igus. Okay, thank you. Sit down. So, I think you already understood our topic for today. So, let's have a quiz. Yes, we have a quiz. Prepare 1/4 sheet of paper. So, I will be pass these questions. Okay, and post it on the board. And I will give you at least 10 minutes to answer these. And okay, start answering. Okay, the time is 5 minutes left. Okay. Finish or not finish, pass your paper. In the front. Yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So for your assignment for tomorrow, I will be put it on the, and it will be put on the sheet crosswise. Okay? And this is your assignments. So put the corresponding names or polynomials on the side and pass it tomorrow on our time class, before our class discussion. And I hope that you will learn a lot for today's topic. And class is dismissed. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, class.